Right, so we have got, these are a lot bigger than I was expecting. These are for, well, my hope was to use these to make some hanging decorations, which I can still do, but they're going to be a lot bigger. I have to excuse my dog whining. But yeah, these are actually for like making wreaths, but that was my fault. And then I've got lots of different size rings and stuff, which again, I'm hoping to just make like some hanging stuff. Then I've got some metal versions. They're meant to be gold, but they're a bit dull looking, but once they've got stuff hanging off them, they should be nice. Silver version is grey, not quite matching the colours. These are also for sun catchers and ceiling decorations. These look like they'll be really nice. There's two stuck together there, so that's a great start. Yeah, I think they'll be good, especially when they spin. I think I got them in silver as well somewhere. Maybe not. Don't know. I'll turn up if I did. There's more hair clips because the last ones I ordered were shorter than this, which I didn't realise. So yeah, I like to decorate them. They sell really well. There are lots of like tassels and stuff. These are mainly for bookmarks, these ones. But I thought they might look quite nice on keyrings that I make as well. Yeah, so I've got like some specific ones there for keyrings that are a bit smaller. Got some nice mixed colours there. Gold chain for some more jewellery making. This is stainless steel, which is what I use for all of my jewellery now. That. Oh, that's for holding my rug in place. These are a good size for what I wanted for my sun catchers. So, happy about them. Got something in the right size. These are for sun catchers as well. These look really pretty. Yeah. More gold chain, silver chain. This is like a metal wire, which I think is what people use for like, I don't know. I wasn't really sure what it was, like how thick it was going to be or bendable, but I thought that would be good for my sun catchers. So, I mean, it's so cheap on Shein that you might as well just try stuff and see what works. Oh yeah, I got these. These are longer, again stainless steel for earring making. Great that the first one I pulled out was bent. But yeah, I've got some of these, but they're like half the size, so this is just so I can make more longer earrings. And I've got a gold version of them as well. Gold key rings, because I've only got silver at the moment, so it would be nice to be able to do some gold ones with the charms and whatever match that better. I don't know why I bought so much gold chain, but there's another one. These are gold little hoops for beads to go in the middle. I think that's how they work. I'm not really sure. I don't know, they looked pretty on the image. I'm sure I can find a use for them. Even if they don't work for jewellery, I can use them for my sun catchers as well, because they'll be pretty on that. Got them in silver and gold. And then I've got some beads. Oh, these are for sun catchers too, so just like little squares, or obviously you can hang them that way as diamonds. And then have some beads and stuff hanging down the middle of them. What's that? Oh, craft knives, because I've lost mine. I don't remember buying this. Is this just elastic? is a non-stretch elastic. Strong and stretchy. Oh no, that's not elastic. It's not stretchy either, which is fine because I didn't want it to be stretchy. So yeah, that's also for my sun catchers and obviously whatever else I need that for, just to hang things that's strong and not got the pull of an elastic. There's a silver version of them. Got some pom-poms, which are beads. No, they're not beads, they're little charms. They're nice. Like a little hole punch because I needed one. No, the earring holders that I've got, like the cardboard holders, they don't have holes on them to hang up with. They've only got the holes for the actual earrings, so I thought I could just punch them in myself. And that would just make it look so much tidier than what I've been doing, which is just sort of stabbing them. Got some more. Oh, these are just cat and moons for my sun catchers again, but they would also make probably a really pretty necklace as well, although they do feel a bit cheap for jewellery, but for sun catcher they'll be lovely. So yeah, I got another container for my beads because I've got a lot of beads now. I've got 5 of these containers now in different shapes and sizes. I think this one, these come out, yeah, so you can adjust them, because I've got some charms and stuff that are just a bit too big, so I can't actually put them in a container yet, so that'll be good for that. Come here, you. Come say hi. This is Mali, my one-eyed dog. My one-eyed Bichon. She's beautiful. She whines a lot because she's hungry all the time. These are, I thought would be really pretty for bracelets. Like the Tree of Life. Dragonflies. Oh, I love a turtle. Well, I love tortoises, but turtles are cute too. So just nice charms. Again, they should all be stainless steel. That's what I've ordered. That's the idea. What are they? Oh yeah, these are clasps. So the last clasps I bought for holding pendants onto necklaces, they weren't what was pictures. They only had the hook on one side, which I'll show you in a sec. Oh, that is all one piece. Is it? Yeah, so when you open these up, it only had the hook on one side, so it would never close enough or sit properly. These ones look a lot better made, so I got a refund on the other ones. It's annoying because I bought them in gold and silver and I got a decent amount of them because I'd used a similar version thinking I'd be ordering like the same, but they're not. So I've now got loads of them and nothing to do with them. I don't want to throw them away in case I in the future find a use for them, you never know. Let's open these beads. So I wanted to get some chunky beads. I've not used like bigger beads like this yet. I've used a lot of smaller beads and seed beads. I got these in 2 different sizes. I thought these would be a lot nicer for key rings, having chunky beads on. And I need to make more stuff that's less feminine as well. So I got some blue, which is, you know, really stereotypical, but it is what it is. But also the red and the black, obviously. These are slightly smaller versions, but yeah, make some key rings with them. I believe I got these just because they were pretty. Use them for whatever. They are a nice colour. More beads. They're very nice. They've got a nice little like marbling effect to them. What are these ones? Oh, these are little flowers in all different materials. I thought this is the problem. I see stuff on there and I'm like, oh, I could make this with that, and then I end up just making loads of different things all the time, partly because I like doing it, but I just get like inspired by it. So I was thinking I could do like some sort of, with the hoops, like have these hanging off and make this sort of ceiling decoration with them. I'm not really sure yet. I just sort of do it as I go sometimes with this sort of thing. But yeah. These are gamer ones. I got some controller pendants. Again, just because I make a lot of stuff that little girls like, so I wanted to get some more stuff that would also appeal to boys, because you get like grandparents come along, they want to buy something for the grandchildren, they've got a boy and a girl, I've got loads of stuff for the girl, and they're like, oh, what could I get for my grandson? I was like, oh, I'm not really sure. So I'm trying to actually have stuff available for them. These are a bit smaller than I thought, but they're pretty cute. Little flowers. So these are again for, I mean, they would make lovely earrings. Have some like little green seed beads leading up to that, just hanging down on a dangle. That would be really pretty. But I got these for the ceiling decorations again with the hoops. But you can use whatever, obviously. This is for myself to put some of the earrings that I make for or that I make, and then I end up keeping a pair for myself. But I don't have an earring holder, so this is so that I can just hook my own little earrings on there. This is, it was called a trumpet. It's very cute. I like that. I like gold a lot at the moment. Black shiny beads. I love black beads at the moment, especially these ones that are shiny. And then what have we got in here? Don't you love it when they come wrapped like this and you can't remember what it is? And then you open it, it's like, oh yeah, it's just that. And that might be something really exciting. Oh yes, it is quite nice actually. It's a bat. Like a crystal, fake crystal for the obviously it's not real crystal, for the sun catchers, and that's probably why I got black beads as well. I thought I could make a sort of gothic one. That's pretty cool though. I like that. This must be another. I think I got two long ones to go at like the bottom of the sun catchers. Oh wow, that is beautiful. I feel like I can make a really long sun catcher with that as well, because that's a statement that's going to have to go on a big piece, not something small. I can't crack it up. This should be the same. Yeah, we've got two of them. They are pretty. I like them. These do come with these for, I think they're literally if you want to just hang them up just as they are, but I don't really use this bit for these because I attach them to other things. But it's again always handy to have little bits of string like that. I think that's everything. Yeah, let me know. Tell me what you think. Give me a follow. I appreciate a follow, especially as I'm so new to TikTok.